Okay, so we're getting ready to fix the hole in this diesel tank from my dad's truck. He already tried to epoxy it, but the diesel still just flows right out of it. So we're getting ready to weld her up with this MIG welder in the old butcher shop. Get a little quick look around here. There's one of our shop mascots, Lisa. Lisa's her name. And Jezebel, the other shop mascot. Anyway, hopefully she'll be getting footage of me getting blown up welding this.
Alright, here we go. Big dummy welding the gas tank, loaded with argon and diesel fuel. Yeah.
Okay, here it is all welded up. About 5 inches of weld on there. And nobody got blown up. So, in case you're thinking about trying to weld a fuel tank at home, I would say definitely try it.